Hey guys, it's Mary, and I finally have the everything kit for June from Spellbinders. I don't know why, but it always seems like it takes forever to get this, and I don't know why, but I am so excited over this one. This is my favorite so far, and I think I've started in January, and I'm really excited to show you this one. So let's start with the glimmer. So the theme this month is oceans and under the sea creatures. So it's right up my alley. So the glimmer is Sky Bright, which is real pretty blue, and then Sending Waves. Look at how pretty. These are going to be gorgeous. And it says Sending an Ocean of Thanks. I wish it said Sending an Ocean of Love or something, but look at how cute. It's got the two different oceans, and this you'll see later, but I think it's going to be so pretty. They've got two different colors of blue, and then they've used the blue glimmer on it. So that's the glimmer, and then the small, no, not the small, the Stamp and Die of the Month. Stamp and Die of the Month. Look at how cute. It says, "What are you up to?" Is that not cute or what? See you soon. I'm inking of you. Whale, hello there. Seize the day. What are you up to? Make waves. I'll cross the ocean for you. And look at the whale, the jellyfish, the crab. It's got some seashells, and this little underwater scene of all the kelp and coral. And then it's got all the dies to cut out, all the pieces, which is always nice. All right, and then the stitch die is called Stitch Shell Card Front. It's really pretty, and I like it because it's going to be easy to use without stitching, but then it has the little pieces that you can add to do the stitching. So that's a good one, since I don't do stitching. Shh, don't tell anybody. The small die of the month is Dancing Octopus and Friends. Is that too cute? And so it's made so that when you put it together, his little tentacles will move back and forth. And this is cute because it's got the signpost and the sign that he could be holding. It says, "Hey." So cute. So cute. So that's the small. And then the large is a whale in a bottle. Look at how huge that bottle is. Let me measure the top to the bottom of this bottle. This bottle is almost 5 3/4. And less than 4 if you use the outside, which you would have to, because the cap is attached, so there's not an option. And so it's got the whale. It says "for you." It's got some coral. Oh, look at how cute. It's got the different layers so that you can make the little waves. The cork for the bottle. The whale. The sign. Oh, it makes a little tag to go around the bottle. And then the little pieces inside. So cute. So cute. And then the folders. This is the 3D embossing folder, and I'm sure you can't see it, but you can see this. It's all the seashells and the starfish. It's going to be really, really pretty. And then the regular embossing folder is called Splish Splash. This one was called Scattered Shells, by the way. This one's called Splish Splash, so it's little splashes of water. So pretty. So pretty. And then we have the card kit of the month, which I've never understood why it doesn't follow the theme, because that would just have been too darn cute. But no, not the saying that this one's not cute, but it's called A Little Hello. Let me get some of these pieces out. Kits basically have the same kind of pieces. As far as you know, it comes with the paper. It comes with, always comes with the glue. It always comes with card fronts in different colors. And lately they've been coming with sequins. This one makes a nice shaker. It's got all kinds of bits in it. It's got the little sprinkles. Looks like it's got little tinsel. That's a real cute one. All right, so we've got Hello Beautiful. It's got all the little chipboard. It's got some chipboard frames. It does have some pretty butterflies. Sadly smashed. Okay. Really pretty butterflies. And then a bunch of the die cut shapes. Okay, so it's got the little frames, it's got birds, it's got animals, it's kind of like a mishmash of all kinds of things. Little pinwheels. Look at the little worm, cute. So let's take a look. I see lots of butterflies in here, so we've got lots of butterflies, and I see butterflies on the paper. So let's look. Oh, this has got little gold dots on it, foil dots. So we've got butterflies. Little pink, like crosshatch. More butterflies, flowers, peachy, green, little cross-like things. More butterflies. That's pretty. This has got gold foil too. I'd say this is a butterfly collection. What about you? More butterflies. That stripe is pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but more butterflies. Gold foil on the butterflies. Oh, this is really nice. I like that. Flags. All right, so that's the paper. So it's cute paper. I like that the, you know, the designs are soft and not overpowering. So, and I must say I've been using these for my senior cards that I send out every month. So they have come in handy for that. Yeah, so that's it. A Little Hello is what it's called. So as I said, I'm very excited about this one. Last month I wasn't so excited, but they made up for it. And this one is gorgeous, so I am happy. So let me know in comments if you subscribe and if you get the whole thing or you just get parts of it. I know it, the everything, you know, can be pricey, though it is cheaper than the everything Altenew. But you get a lot with Altenews. So I am so happy with this one. All right, so that's it. Leave me a comment. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button. And then if you hit the bell, it will send you a notification and let you know when there's a new video to be watched. I appreciate all your support, whether you subscribe or you just come once in a while. It means a lot. I appreciate every ounce of support, and it means a lot. So that's it. June's Everything Kit, Spellbinders, finally. It came a couple of days ago. Not sure why. Like I said, it takes so long. Oh, and I learned a technique to do an underwater background, so this is going to be perfect. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.